How to add bubble text in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Capcut application and select a project that you want to add a bubble text to. After going for the video and the project, then you can select the specific location where you want to add the text to. So for example, if I want to add the text over here, then I'm going to just select on the text option, which is at the bottom of the screen, tap on text, then tap on add text, and then you can see different options available over here from fonts, styles, effects, animations, bubbles, and presets. Just select on the bubbles option and here you'll be able to see different templates of the bubbles option. Now if you want to select on this one, then tap on the bubbles option over here and then tap on enter text and you can add any of the text that you want to add. For example, if I want to add great, and let's resize that. Then place it where you want it to, then tap on tick mark and then you'll be done. And here you have added the bubble text in Capcut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.